I can't believe my cute daughter's doing this.
You can't. Yeah, you can't do that. Right. Somebody else.
Why y'all talking about somebody else?
Jay, let me see. No.
Oh my gosh, this fat worm gonna get me a bite.
What?
This fat worm gonna get me a bite real quick.
You ready to let me do it?
Is the time running, Julissa?
Yeah, it is. That's what I'm saying.
Oh no, y'all do the time when they throw it
Both of
out.
them ready. That's what we're doing.
Oh.
No, when both of them have it already, we start the time. So we move, Jay. Stop trying to put it on. You can't do it.
I hope it
No, just let me do it. No, no.
If you don't laugh at that fire, your screens are freaking alarm. Go on! Reel it in!
Oh, I got you on tape. I got you.
Uh-oh!
Bring it in.
Oh!
Bring him on in. Oh, wow, he's big. Don't you let him touch me. Nice.
Janisa swinging her
One, stop.
Janisa swinging her pole, and then the fish did this.
No, seriously, don't do it on me. I don't want that.
The fish, Mommy.
Huh?
Janisa swinging her pole around and she couldn't get control. The fish did this on me, see? The fish did this on me. Boom, boom, boom.
You go like this, and then, you know, like this, and then the hook right down, like,
I got you on tape. Damn, I can't believe y'all pulling him in like this.
Alright. Denise, don't do it all.
Now this thing is the size of my hand.
Denise, stop moving. Touching me. Denise, stop moving this part.
What, seaweed? Yeah! He's trying to swim with his fin.
I don't touch him. Please stop wiggling. So he makes...
You mean until they die?
Yeah, making yourself have a slow, painful death, because I'm not going to touch you. That's it. Here, Mom.
But take him off. I think that's why they...
Again.
Just grab him. He'll stop.
Yeah, but...
Ooh. Come on, you got 20 seconds.
Please don't call Mom. Mom's trying to catch him some fish over there. Sorry, y'all, but Mom can't do that today. Even though it hurts me, I smile.
What'd you do?